Hi guys, so we're at Rowston level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. Here we go, now.
What you've got right now?
The time now is 16:20 on Saturday the 21st of March 2015, and this is for our 16:21 2 kilo 56 minutes train service from Peterborough to Lincoln Central.
Is it?
Yeah.
That shouldn't pass until 24.
Well, we've gone down for it, so obviously it's coming.
That shouldn't pass you till 24.
Let's have a look.
I'll see if it's the skip track.
Hope it is. I'd like to see a skip track come down here. It's not
6:30 Sleaford South, that's all I've got.
Right, 16:20. When's that? Now 16:20. Expect arrival 16:21, Sir Andrew. And the London King's Cross to Edinburgh. Expect pass 1024 is 16:28. And after the 16:34, I'm off home.
Is your 16:32 1 Echo 15 Aberdeen Key? No, 3
Oh, there she is. We'll probably bring up after this then. So it's obviously let's have a look. It's obviously the
1 Echo 15.
yeah, 16:32 1 Echo 15 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Aberdeen to London King's Cross. I suppose we'll be going back up after this. So there's no sign of Peterborough Lincoln yet. $43,367. 43,315. And we're staying up they go.
We're staying up they go. Should that stay or should I go?
Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.